Guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to do herb roast potato in the oven, and guess what, in it we're going to just add a little lemon infused olive oil just to bring up the flavor so much more. My herbs, and the herbs that I'm going to use is rosemary, I have dill, I have thyme, and I also have parsley. All of those herbs blend together, it's just gonna bring it to another level, as well as garlic. If you want to continue watching this video, guys, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment if you like it, and subscribe to the channel. Let's get straight into this one. Of course, guys, we have to wash our potatoes, and I have 2 pounds of potatoes. All right, so just gonna use my dishwasher and just wash them off nicely. If your potato has any bad area, guys, what you can do is to just cut it out. And also, I will be roasting my potato in its skin. If you don't feel like doing that, then you can always go ahead and you can peel yours. Alright, so see, mine just have a little spot there. I'm just gonna just use the knife and just remove it. Also, you can't forget to wash your garlic. Your herbs. Alright, guys, so right now we're just gonna slice our potatoes. For the smaller ones, you can cut them in 2. For the bigger ones, in 3/4. What we're going to do, guys, is to pre-cook our potatoes. Add our salt. You don't want to cook your potatoes all the way through. When it's halfway there, you just take it off your heat, because remember, we're going to roast it in the oven. All right, preparing the garlic for potatoes. So you want to get your garlic, mince it up as fine as possible. You don't want it to be too overpowering to other person's palate. Our dill, such an amazing flavor, guys. If you can't find all of the herbs that I'm using, guys, just use whatever you have. All right, garlic, thyme. Everybody have thyme at them house. You just rough chop your dill. And of course your rosemary. Such an amazing flavor, guys. This herb is so versatile. If you're cooking your rice, you want it to be flavorful, you can add some rosemary as well as your garlic and your scallion and all of that. Very nice herb. Now we're going to just strip him off there. And you want to finely cut the leaves, all right, because remember, now this is hard to break down. So this is how fine I want you to get it, guys. Remember, after you wash it, you can just make it dry. Our parsley, just the leaves, you just chop it up nice and fine. Another option that you can use, guys, if you don't have your fresh herbs, you can always use the dry one. But if you're going to use your dry herbs, guys, I prefer you still use something fresh. So like your garlic or your chives or something fresh, a fresh herb with it. Your thyme, I prefer to just peel off the leaves like that. Let's take a look at our potatoes, guys. And as you can see, they're pre-cooked. So far, kind of go through it nicely. You don't want to overcook it because remember you're going to roast it, alright? So we're going to leave it there. Alright guys, we're going to strain our potatoes. Add in our garlic, guys, and at this point you can add as much garlic as you choose. Our lemon infused olive oil, our salt, our herbs, the lemon oil, guys. Oh my gosh, you have to give it a try, man. So good. It tastes so good. Now guys, you're gonna roast this for around 20 minutes, and the last 5 minutes I want you to just turn your oven to boil to get it nice and crispy and brown. Alright guys, let's give this a little stir, and it's okay for me. Comment below guys what you would have this beside. There you have it guys, our nice oven roast potatoes that is packed with a lot of herbs and so flavorful. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Until next time, bye.